You ever scroll and see those girls who just exist and somehow their faces are giving main character energy all the time? Like, they sneeze and suddenly it's a Vogue cover. Cheekbones sharp enough to cut glass, jawline so sculpted you'd think they came fresh out of Photoshop. And we're over here like, okay, I did the 10-step skincare. I sha'd for 30 minutes, drank my lemon water, even gave up dairy for this face. So, what's the deal? And yet, the mirror still says, cute, not goddess. But guess what? You don't have to be born snatched. You just need to unlock the secret no one talks about. Facial harmony. Yep. The cheat code to making your features pop, balancing asymmetry, and getting that naturally sculpted look without filters or fillers. Here's the thing. Most of us already have great features, but they're kind of shy. They're hiding behind puffiness, bad habits, or muscles that got lazy on us. So let's wake them up. Grab a little glide action. Rose hip oil, jojoba, your fave oil, serum, moisturizer, whatever keeps things smooth. Even Vaseline if that's all you got. Just make sure to wash it off later so we're glowing, not breaking out. Think of this as the detox stage. Start at your neck and collarbone, because if the drains are clogged, nothing moves. Gentle sweeps down the sides of your neck, soft circles above the collarbone. It's like opening the gates so puffiness and toxins can exit gracefully. For your jaw, make a V with your fingers and hug that jawline as you glide toward the ears. It's the snatch effect, but in HD. Then really work those cheekbones, knuckles under the apples of your cheeks, lifting upward like you're pulling your whole face to VIP status. Don't forget under the eyes. Gentle, feather-light motions from the inner corners to the temples. This helps depuff and makes you look less like a raccoon and more like you had an 8-hour spa nap. And finally, forehead. Glide from the center outwards, then up. Imagine you're literally smoothing out the stress from all those, "Why did I send that text?" moments. Now that everything's flowing, let's wake up those sleepy muscles. Tilt your head slightly and sweep upwards along your neck. It's the ultimate defense against double chin energy. You can even finish with a little brow lift. Thumb and finger under your brows, gently pushing up. Subtle, but the difference? Major. And listen, don't stress if you don't notice a crazy difference after day 1. This is like gym for your face. Consistency is queen. A few minutes daily, and your features will literally start syncing together like your favorite playlist. So next time you see someone with that flawless, symmetrical look, just remember, it's not that they're God's favorites. You are too. You just found the secret. Now go get that face snatched.